Take mirror out. Bloody hell. Let's your mirror out. Take this cable out. But the thing is, you need to check this little plastic. This little plastic here. Let me zoom. This little plastic here. Push it down, then pull it from this way. So I push that little plastic down. This one. Pushed it down and then pull it out. Unplug cable, just like that. It's a little bit stupid holding phone in one hand and taking cable out. Here we go. So you see, we got it off. Unplug cable. Now we take this one off. Very simply. You'll need something like that. But first thing, another thing what you need to do is bloody sun. Here, there's a bloody sun in here. It's plastic here. You need to push it left and then push it out. Same on the right side. There's another one here in this gap. Push it there. Yeah. Push it to the right and then push it out. And the cover will come off. Just easy as that. Whoop. Just don't want to break it. That's all. See? Easy. Now when you got your cover out, you need to take this cable out. It's like a little pin in here, as you can see. So you need to take that one out. Cable out from here. Pulled it out, and now another thing is, you see this plastic, this one here, push it away, because that new unit, when you try to push it inside, that thing will block in this cable going inside of that. So make sure you put that one away and then plug that one in. It's going this way, this way. See how I got it like that? Let me show you. That's how you put it inside. See, just like that. See? That way. Inside. Yep. Oh, see this? And another thing is, when you try to put that one inside, pull that one away again, and if not, you won't be able to put it inside. And then just slide this one back inside. Push that seal inside. You can put that one inside as well. Now put it back in here. one inside. Well, first we need to take old one out. So the two little screws. One in here, one in here. So we're gonna take them out with this one. Okay, that's out. Second one here. Come on. So old one out. Still got screw inside. I'm not gonna lose it anyway. Now put new one inside. There you go. So that's nice back in. Now put screws back on. Second one from here.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yeah,
I knew.
circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you'd have never heard? I left off like a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. Just did the math, that's like $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I killed some niggas and I walked away from it. Then I observed just how you curved and told them nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm ballin' on them pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swam. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on